Today the bus is back on the lift. I just need a change from the work on the doors. Now that the front third of the bus is welded, the rusted edge of the A-pillar on both sides needs to be restored. To do this, I take off both doors so I can get the old spot welds better and not destroy anything. Now perfectly fix the camera and film a stop motion repair. Oops, I really should check the camera settings more often. Somehow the camera got misaligned and blurred the elaborate steps. Very annoying. Learned something again. Spoiler, it turned out well. Now quickly the sheet metal on the driver's side. I tried many techniques, but milling the welding spots with a round cutter is still the easiest. Unfortunately, the lift is about to be used by Peter for his T4 bus, and I have no choice but to treat the wound with rust converter for the time being, reinstall the doors and push the VW bus out of the garage again. With all the motivation, one should not forget the coffee break. From the cup of Karl the rust converter, the coffee tastes twice as good. Then let's do tinkering on the driver's door and reconstruct the interior frame of the window regulator. It's the classic problem of VW bus doors. This frame usually rusts out of the bottom of the bracket on the door and causes a constant rattling, and after a long time also cracks in the door skin. One side is already supplemented by a new sheet metal which only needs to be adjusted. Did I ever mention that I love the smell of ground metal? It fits on the right side and we only need a sheet metal for the left side. You won't see this spot later, but I still want to make it nice and neat. Yes, there is an indentation missing in the new repair sheet metal where the angle of the bracket can hide. Here, the sheet metal of the frame must be embedded in such a way that the door skin lies completely on the lower frame. This will be time-consuming and nothing more today, dear friends of classic car restorations. Time to pack up the classic car and spend the rest of the beautiful afternoon in the garden. If you enjoyed the video, I look forward to your comment, a subscription and a thumbs up. Thank you very much.